Hancom Inspace, we empowered global decision-making from space. Sejong 2 launches this month. This mission validates Korea's space technology and start our 50 satellite constellations.
Sejong 2, which is being launched on Transporter 14, is the second of 3 satellites that Spire has built for Hancom. Hancom will use these satellites eventually as a part of a 50-satellite constellation used to develop imagery and hyperspectral imagery products for agriculture and other applications.
Our strength is real-time understanding of on-site situation beyond prediction. Sejong 2, with our drones and ground sensor, significantly enhanced this. We have partnered with Spire to accelerate our mission through their proven reliability.